Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. A lean-to style greenhouse can transform unused wall space into a productive growing area. Best lean-to greenhouse options deliver durability, weather protection, and year-round usability while maximizing light and preserving space, making them ideal for gardeners with limited room. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ohuhu 3-Tier Shelf Greenhouse. The Ohuhu 3-Tier Shelf Greenhouse offers a smart and space-efficient solution for gardeners who want dependable protection and organized growing space. Its lean-to design makes it perfect for placing against a house wall, garage, or fence, maximizing limited outdoor areas while providing a comfortable walk-in environment. The included 3-tier rack is sturdy and practical, holding up to 22 pounds per shelf, making it ideal for seedlings, potted plants, and essential tools. The metal frame features upgraded structural bars that noticeably improve its weight-bearing capability, reducing concerns during heavy rain or snow. Dual roll-up zipper doors on both sides deliver convenient access and allow excellent airflow, supported by mesh windows that keep pests out. The reinforced PE cover is durable, UV-resistant, and waterproof, helping maintain humidity while allowing plenty of sunlight for healthier plant growth. Number 2. Eagle Instant Greenhouse. The Eagle Instant Greenhouse stands out for its fast, user-friendly setup and durable build that appeals to both beginners and experienced gardeners. Its patented center lock mechanism allows one person to set it up within seconds, eliminating the hassle of tools or complicated assembly steps. The heavy-duty steel frame ensures stability year-round, supported by included expansion bolts, wind ropes, and stakes for added security in challenging weather. Inside, the 9x4 walk-in layout gives gardeners plenty of room to tend to vegetables, flowers, or herbs, and it can be paired with additional shelving for greater organization. Roll-up zippered doors and mesh windows improve ventilation and help regulate temperature while keeping small animals away. Whether used in gardens, patios, or indoors, this greenhouse offers reliable, all-season plant protection with impressive convenience. Number 3. VIVOSUN 83-Inch Greenhouse. The VIVOSUN 83-inch greenhouse is a practical choice for growers needing a compact but efficient space for seedlings and young plants. Its metal bar structure provides reliable support when braced against a wall and secured with stakes, giving the greenhouse enough strength to handle routine outdoor conditions. The PE grid cover is tough and weather-resistant, featuring reinforced fibers that protect plants from sun exposure and harsh elements while ensuring good solar performance inside. With the included interior shelf unit, users can organize seedlings, small pots, and essential supplies without cluttering the walkway. It is especially useful for gardeners working in tight spaces, offering just enough walk-in room to comfortably tend to plants while still maximizing usable space. Portable, reusable, and easy to manage, this greenhouse provides a dependable environment for nurturing a thriving garden from seed to maturity. Number 4. WORKPRO 77-Inch Greenhouse. The WORKPRO 77-inch greenhouse offers generous growing space with its 8 sturdy met shelves and walk-in design, making it ideal for gardeners who want to cultivate flowers, vegetables, and seedlings in an organized layout. Its heavy-duty powder-coated metal frame and thick 140 gram per meter PE cover ensure excellent durability and weather resistance, helping maintain stable temperatures and moisture levels for healthier plant development. The reinforced cover, paired with corner straps that secure tightly to the frame, provides added stability and better protection against wind. The greenhouse is simple to assemble and requires no tools, allowing users to build the frame and secure it with ropes and anchors quickly. Ventilation is well designed, with a front roll-up zipper door and 2 mesh windows that promote air circulation while preventing pests from entering. These adjustable openings also make watering and managing sunlight easy. Versatile and portable, this greenhouse can be moved indoors or outdoors as seasons change, supporting year-round gardening. Number 5. Eagle Peak 84-Inch Greenhouse. The Eagle Peak 84-inch greenhouse is a solid lean-to option for gardeners who want reliable growing space supported by a sturdy structure. Built with a powder-coated steel frame, it offers long-lasting durability and dependable stability when installed against a solid wall, which is essential for its design. The PE cover provides UV protection, water resistance, and filtered sunlight to create a favorable environment for seedlings, houseplants, and potted varieties. With 2 roll-up zipper doors, users benefit from easy access and improved ventilation, which helps regulate temperature and airflow around developing plants. The included flower shelf provides a convenient area to organize pots and tools, helping maximize the limited lean-to footprint. Assembly is straightforward and tool-free, allowing gardeners to get their greenhouse up and running quickly without hassle. Ideal for patios, side yards, and small spaces, this greenhouse offers dependable protection and practical functionality for anyone looking to expand their growing capacity. Choosing the best lean-to greenhouse ensures you get reliable structure, efficient heat retention, and a space-saving design that supports plants in every season. With the right model, you can enjoy healthier growth and effortless access right from your home's exterior wall, enhancing both convenience and productivity.